comes the finale, you guys.
What? We're ripped off. Oh, never mind. I thought it was.
We don't hear the William Tell overture, so we don't know what.
Oh.
Yeah.
Baby grand finale.
Well, Kai said this is the baby grand finale.
Oh, gotcha. Big
No.
grand piano.
My boys will be watching this forever.
Forever.
I want to watch the fireworks again, Mom. And then Kid will say, "Oh, that's you saying that we're going to watch the fireworks again."
Bye, kid.
And
Bye, kid.
it shall loop forever in that conversation.
Mom, remember that first one? That was so sweet. Wait, Mom.
Yeah.
That takes like few minutes.
Well, we've been here for a long time.
We've been here for years.
We've been here for years.
Me too. Because I think Joe here on Sunday.
No, we weren't here Sunday.
Well, we went here on Tuesday.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. On Tuesday. Is your puppy okay? Yeah. He feel like this.
Sunday.
Yep.
Oh.
This is the grand finale.
Great ones.
Hi, I can't even see you. There you guys are.